Hey everyone, it's the Poverty Princess, and tonight we are having crunchy Thai peanut. Yep, this is another chicken coating mix from The Good Table, which I purchased in Dollar Tree when I did my big Dollar Tree food haul. We did the tortilla chicken. Unfortunately, we also did do the Parmesan chicken, but that video was lost on me thanks to my editing software being a total screwball and freezing and kicking me off and not giving me an opportunity to save it, so that video is unfortunately lost to wherever videos go. And right now Dollar Tree doesn't have any more of these in, but if I do come across the Parmesan one, I will be happy to make it and do a video for it. Anyway, these mixes are pretty self-explanatory. They use chicken breast, and you open up the package, put them in bowls, simply coat the chicken in the sauce, and then dip it in the crust mix. Line your baking sheet with parchment paper and bake your chicken. Well, these were two big chicken breasts, and I wanted to actually cut it up into smaller slices or strips so that 3 of us could eat. So that is what I did prior to coating. I also made butter beans and Uncle Ben's long grain wild rice. And this is what it looks like on my plate. And I'm going to give it a serious bite in a moment to see what it tastes like. Now, it is very possible a cat is going to come walking across in front of me. It's my Oreo, so you don't need to freak. Him and Feisty make their presence known in some of my videos, and that's perfectly fine. Ooh. So we're going to see how crunchy the Thai peanut is. This has a good taste. A different taste. Oh, there's roasted peanuts in it. Good to know if, God forbid, you have a peanut allergy. There's crushed red pepper, garlic, onion. Red pepper, tomato. Alrighty. Oh, there's also coconut in it. I did not know that. I don't taste coconut, but there is coconut in here somewhere. I honestly don't taste coconut. This is good though. These are distributed by General Mills. I'm going to have to jump on their website and actually see if there's any other stores sell these. I'm pretty sure Dollar Tree wasn't the only one. Maybe a name brand store per se might carry these, because these are good. And if there is someplace else I could actually get these, I would be happy. It says we'd love to hear from you. Oh my. Oh, maybe I'll give them a call tomorrow. There we go. I'll give them a call and ask what other stores may carry these. I know there's a sort of an organic food type of store over in Edwardsville, P&R. They would do good in a store like that, definitely. I'm wondering if maybe they might have it. I don't know. I'm going to call it tomorrow. Anywho, let me give another taste, because this is actually good. It deserves another taste though. Kind of odd eating on camera, but fun. Nobody to yell at me. You shouldn't talk with your mouth full. Now I can taste it in this piece. This is a different taste. Yeah, I'm not used to this. I'm liking it, but it's a different taste. It has like a teeny little bit of a kick to it. Not bad though. No, this is actually pretty good. So guys, once again, another meal that can be made with a Dollar Tree product. Just for the record, the long grain and wild rice was Uncle Ben's, but it was purchased in Dollar Tree, as well as the butter beans. So, you see folks, just because something is from Dollar Tree doesn't mean that it isn't any good, because it often is and can be. I was actually kicking around some ideas today for future Dollar Tree meals, and I came up with a good one. I'm not going to give you any hint what it is, but I think you guys are really going to like it. It's super easy, and it should only cost $4 to $5 to make. And I'm going to work on that. And I'm going to work on enchiladas too. Since I messed up on that video, and at the end of the quesadillas I said enchilada, you know where my mind was, so guess what? I'll be working on the enchiladas too. Well, if you enjoy these videos, please give this one a big thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will be seeing you soon. Bye.